Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Aispour Electronics Cleaning Kit for laptop, USB Lightning, and USB-C connections. This also will work on a smartphone. And 3 things you need to know about this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that one. Now, this particular cleaning kit has got a lot of things going for it. If you're like me, and sometimes you may not be in the cleanest environments or there's dust all around, and that can get into a USB-C connector, and that's my primary use on this, is I've got a Galaxy smartphone that has a USB-C connector, and I've actually had it get clogged enough or get enough dirt in there that the pins won't make a connection. So this is something to have handy. I mean, yeah, sometimes you can blow it out, but sometimes you can't. So thing number 1, there are several hard tools for cleaning the quote-unquote problem area. There are some of these other kits out there that will actually have a insulated but metal pair of tongs in there, and that's not something I like going near a device that's got a battery in it, that even if you have the device powered down, it still may be getting power to that port. So you don't want to short things out and have a problem. It does have a squeeze bulb for puffs of air, and I prefer to do this versus using a can of compressed air, because you might be able to blow the dust or contaminants further into the connector and making it nearly impossible to get it clean. That's just my observation, so I'd rather err on the side of caution. Thing number 2, it has non-metallic cleaning brushes. So this is another good way to clean up those ports, and you're going to notice throughout this video that I'm going to show you different pictures of what's going on. It's got different little, well, cotton tip swabs. I started to use a brand name and that wouldn't have been right. But it has some cleaning fluid that comes with it, so you just dip them in there. Don't marinate it, but just get it wet and get it in there and kind of walk it around. And if you've got a jeweler's loop, make sure that it looks like you've got everything, and then just let it set for a little while, because if it's wet and you power it up, you may have another problem. Also, if you use too much cleaning fluid, it may trigger one of the little markers that the cell phone companies put in, and they're going to think that this has been immersed in water or something, and you won't have a warranty. So again, just be very careful, just be very just very conservative with how much fluid that you use. Thing number 3, it has cleaning wipes and a spray bottle, and the spray bottle is what I was also referring to as the cleaning fluid. That's how you will immerse the different wiping tools that are with it. So if you want to get down there, and if something's kind of gotten a little crusty, that you've got a chance at getting it cleaned up. And the cleaning wipes are mainly for external surfaces. If your phone's really, or your tablet has gotten kind of cruddy, that's one good way to get it cleaned up, because I am very hesitant to just take a bottle of Windex and spray all over a device. You may spray yourself into having to get a new device. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus, and this is what I like. It comes with a nice plastic case, keeps everything organized. I mean, yeah, you can use a Ziploc bag or a baggie or whatever, but I just like having this to where it keeps everything all together. Take a look at this. Think about getting one of these today, because especially if you're out and about a little bit, this is going to help you keep things clean. You'll have good, solid electrical connections. So if you've got a device that supports one of the newer quick charge specs, that you're going to be more apt to getting that full charge rate. Take a look at this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.